Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Chef Gayan. Today I'm going to teach you how to make toffee sauce. We need soft butter 400 gram, brown sugar 400 gram, fresh cream 1 liter. Place butter and sugar in medium saucepan on medium heat. Cook and stir until mixture turns a deep amber color. Carefully stir in cream. Mixture will be bubbly, whisking constantly. Cook until sauce thickens. Remove from heat and cool 30 minutes, then keep in chiller. When you need, make it little warm and use. You can serve toffee sauce to plain ice cream, brownies, or date cake. If you took something from this video, please like, comments, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video, and we will meet soon with next video.